A political war has erupted over Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma's comments. Opposition parties are meeting the Assam governor over the comments that were made by the Chief Minister on Mia Muslims. Now, we are learning 18 political parties have filed a police complaint against the Chief Minister. Opposition has asked the governor to remove Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma from his post. Well, big political update now coming in at this point in time. Opposition parties have asked the Assam governor that Himanta Biswa Sarma is not fit to remain as chief minister. There's a huge political war that is going on over Himanta Biswa Sarma's comments on Mia Muslims.
The present chief minister of Assam has gone to such an extent. He has become out and out a communal person, and he has defied all norms of the constitution. He is holding a constitutional post of the Chief Minister of Assam, but he has taken such a partisan approach. He has started dividing the people of Assam on the basis of religion, and not only that, every now and then, everywhere, inside the assembly, outside the assembly, everywhere, he's just spitting communal venom. And this kind of person is very dangerous to hold a constitutional post like the Chief Ministership.
Well, my colleague Ratnadeep is now joining us on the broadcast, getting us more on this big political story that we're tracking. Ratnadeep, we do understand 18 political parties have already filed a complaint against the Chief Minister, and the opposition parties have also met the Assam governor regarding the same. What are the details now coming out? What happened in that meeting, and any reaction that has come in from the Chief Minister so far on this?
Well, the opposition combined, which is known as the United Opposition Forum, led by the Congress today, their delegation met Assam governor and they submitted a petition where they had listed out certain instances which they allege that they were provocative, and they allege that the chief minister was trying to target a particular community. In fact, they have gone on to request the governor to look into the matter and have demanded his removal. Remember, the opposition has also taken a resolution that they are going to send a letter to the president. Yesterday, the opposition had lodged a complaint. Now, all this is happening after the August 27 statement by Assam Chief Minister, where during an adjournment motion which was called on several issues by the opposition MLAs, including the minor rape case in Nagaon district of Assam, the overall law and order situation, and also instances of targeting of Bengali-speaking Muslim laborers in Sibsagar district of Assam. While responding to that, the Chief Minister, in response to certain comments made by opposition MLAs, he had categorically stated that if he would not allow the Bengali-speaking Muslims to take over the entire Assam. Remember, the Upper Assam region particularly is the area which has highest number of seats in Assam Assembly and is seen as the stronghold of the indigenous Assamese communities, as compared to Lower Assam, where in many parts, Lower and Central Assam, in many parts you have the Bengali-speaking Muslims who are often being seen as illegal immigrants. They dominate that area, and this Bhumiputra versus illegal settler discourse has been something that the BJP has banked upon since 2016 when they came to power. So therefore, this has been a major political narrative. However, yesterday in a press conference when NDTV asked the Chief Minister very categorically on the opposition allegation, the Chief Minister clearly said that he has not stated anything new inside the assembly. He quoted a Supreme Court order. He also stated that two previous Chief Ministers of Assam have also in the assembly stated the same thing. So he went on to say that he had neither added anything in the statement or modified anything in his statement to what previous chief ministers like Gopinath Bordoloi or the other chief ministers have stated. So the chief minister clearly is sticking to his stand. However, outside the assembly as well, it has been a rather war of words between the ruling BJP and its allies and the main opposition. Remember, Assam goes to poll in 2026, so many would see this as a pitch in terms of both the ruling party and the opposition training guns at each other. We are at the state as the legislative assembly,
yes,
where today a very very crucial
with,
repealing act
huge
of
uproar
the
from the opposition over the
1935
comments
Assam
of
marriage,
Himanta Biswa Sarma
Assam Muslim
there.
Marriage and Divorce Act will be discussed. This repealing act will repeal the previous law, and then it will pave way for the Assam compulsory Muslim marriage registration and divorce bill, which has been tabled in the assembly. And in that bill itself is going to be very interesting, because that would make Muslim marriage and divorce registration compulsory in Assam, and would no longer be done by the qazis but by government officials. And in that law there will be provisions that if there are child marriages registered, then it will be dealt as illegal. So therefore today, in the second half of the day, the Assam Assembly might see stormy session as well.